Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to explain Task Manager in the simplest way possible. If your PC is slow, frozen, or an app is not responding, Task Manager can save you. Let's get started. Task Manager is a built-in Windows tool that shows what programs and processes are running on your PC. It also helps you close frozen apps and check performance. There are multiple ways to open Task Manager. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete, then select Task Manager. Or right-click the taskbar and choose Task Manager. If an app is stuck or frozen, go to the Processes tab. Find the app showing not responding. Click on it and press End Task. This will force the app to close. Now click the Performance tab. CPU shows how much processor power is being used. Memory shows RAM usage. Disk shows hard drive or SSD activity. If any of these are always at 90-100%, your PC may feel slow. Go to the Startup tab to see apps that start when your PC turns on. Right-click Unnecessary Apps. Click Disable. This helps your PC start faster. Important tip: don't end system processes unless you know what they are. Only close apps you recognize. And that's Task Manager explained simply. If this video helped you understand it better, hit like, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.